Edward.
Hello, Edward. How can I help you?
I've heard about this chat line. Could I just ask what the cost of this call is, please?
It's 23p per minute, but if you're a friend, then it's 36p mates rates for me saying absolutely nothing.
That doesn't quite make sense, but if we could be quick, that'd be lovely.
Well, I'm thinking you're on the 23p rate at the moment, my love. So, so Edward, what would you like to talk about, seeing as your wife was away for such a short time?
Well, I'd like to be fairly quick, so if you could just say some things to me, that'd be lovely.
Okay, well, I'll try my best. Here we go. Goat chin slap heads. Trap wind bung meat. Dead cloth egg throat.
Yeah.
Ant hand foot wound. Slap cock lob throat.
Okay.
Face ache crisp slop.
Yeah.
Trout mask hoodwink.
Oh.
Head tap bone glue.
Oh, could you repeat that last one, please?
Okay, so I need to remind you that if I repeat a word, it's going to cost you an extra 6p per word. Is that okay?
That's absolutely fine.
Okay, so we're going back to, which one was it? Head tap bone glue? Or was it trout mask hoodwink? Oh gosh, those are 4 words.
That's absolutely
That's
fine.
going to cost you an extra 24p.
Yeah, put it on the bill.
I will
Thank you.
do, okay.
If you'd like to carry on.
Shock frost soap horse. Bass fuzz gas bump.
No.
Gooseneck woosle.
No.
Gas tank lob tune. Sideburn sideboards.
No.
Light switch egg wound.
Oh.
Caveman right pears.
Is that it?
I can keep going for you, my dog.
No.
Apple pie.
No, this is rubbish. I'm hanging up.
What do you mean you're hanging up?
I'm hanging up.
It sounds like you're having a good time.
No,
What
I'm
do you
not.
mean? No, don't leave my line.
I'm not paying 26p for egg
Well, it
fruits.
sounds to me like you were having a really good time there, Edward, if that is what your name is.
No.
I will chase down your wife and I will tell her what
Don't
you're doing.
tell her.
I will so tell her. And I will find her. I will trace your number on my phone.
No.
Edward, you've done this to yourself. Right,